Okay, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to embed a YouTube video on your EZ-NetTools page builder website. So all you need to do is go to YouTube, find the video you want to embed, and then you click here on share. I'll scroll down so you can see that better. I'm going to click share, and then I'm going to click embed right here. And then I just take this code right here and copy it. So just right click, hit copy. Then all you need to do is go into your EZ-NetTools account, open up PageBuilder, and if you want to put a HTML block in, that's how you'll do this. So let me show you. You can click the green plus icon wherever you want the block to go. And then we click under type, we scroll down and choose HTML right here. I'm going to click on that. Next step, then I just hit paste. So Control V, or you can right click and do paste. Either one will work. Then I just hit submit. And look, the YouTube video is right here. It's looking good. And then the last step is just to save the page. So you go to File, Save. And once you've done that, your YouTube video is now on your website. That's all there is to it.